Hi guys, so I'm here in Brussels. I'm standing in solidarity with Congolese. There's a Genocost Commemoration going on, and I cannot thank enough for the Congolese people to have stand up to fight against the genocide that is happening in their country. It's been 3 decades now, and one thing I can say that Rwanda, my country, is behind this Genocost. Of course, our president is a Western puppet, so sometimes he's being used. Because all these looted minerals that are stolen from Congo, we do not have them in Rwanda. So they're being, Rwanda is like a mafia state that everyone has to do a crime in one country, then on board a plane in Rwanda and then hop to maybe to America or Europe. So the Congolese people are the bravest people I've seen, and they have decided to stand up and fight against Kagame. So as Rwandese, I cannot stand, I cannot be accomplices for what Kagame is doing in Congo. Because the whole world, the universe, the planet will judge us. It cannot judge us based on how we're silent, seeing the Congolese being prosecuted. I highly encourage Rwandans to stand, to speak about what's going on in Congo, and more importantly, we have to be so strategic. We have to work with Congolese to try to stop what's going on. Congo is losing. Congo, I think they lost 16 million. But also Congolese have to understand that we are losing young people. They are being forced to join army. They are being forced recruited. Some of them are disappeared in Rwanda and appear in Congo on a death ground, because Congo is now a new death ground for Rwandese. So really, I highly recommend Rwandans to stand against what's happening to Congo and speak, because sooner or later we are all going to be labeled accomplices. And yet, if you see how much money we make from these wars, nothing. We only earn a death, mourning our loved one, also having a stress. So Congolese people, keep fight. The president of Congo, the minister of justice, the minister of communication, all ministers, you have to continue fighting, because you're also helping us in our revolution. How? The whole world used to think that Kagame is a hero, but the last 5 years, because of war in Congo, the Congo have done enough job, the Burundian, to try to demystify our dictator. Now we have a ground to stand while fighting against Kagame. I thank enough from my heart the Congolese revolution, activism, and more importantly, Congo has to seek justice for the people killed since 1990s. We cannot let this happen. We have to fight against impunity. Congo, free Congo, free Congo, free all Rwandan political prisoners who are being prosecuted because of speaking their mind. We will win. One day we will win. It may take us a long time, but the idea is simple. Fight against dictator, because had no President Paul Kagame on the power, I think Congolese will be safe. They cannot be able to deal with our internal problems, but the one man's fueling wars, ethnic cleansing, genocide, Genocost, tribalism, division is our president. Just importing what's happening in Rwanda, exporting in Congo. Really, we cannot allow this to happen. No, we have to stop it. We have to stop it. I stand with Congo, free Congo, and I'm sure one day the Congolese people will get justice. And I cannot wait a day when all Rwandan accomplices will be prosecuted internationally, locally, even in heaven. I don't think they go to heaven, they go to hell. Thank you. Free Congo.